Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. Here we have more significant changes compared to the forex market, as gold shows a bit more straightforward downside action compared to the forex, while euro and cable still coiling around the support areas. Gold slowly but directly is moving lower, and as a result you could see that market has created the new lows and the price drop below the B point. It means that our light bearish scenario has been erased as market has dropped below these lows, and actually idea of the butterfly here is destroyed. So we can consider currently that market could form the butterfly and shows the upward direction to the 120 to the 2170 target. Yes, some minor hopes exist that could be some wash and rinse of these lows and the market could reestablish the upward direction, forming something bullish. But to be honest, currently, at least until I will see something really bullish on the intraday charts, currently I have big doubts that this will happen by a few reasons. First of all, if you'll take a look at the long-term charts of the stock market, especially on the Nasdaq, you will see the sharp reversal in the monthly chart of the Nasdaq, and it suggests at least 2 times more drop compared to already what has happened in September. That suggests some demand for United States dollar. Maybe this will be on the background of the turmoil around the president's run, and investors will run to the quality selling of the risky assets. Maybe in this case gold will get some support. But currently, well, I'd not exclude the chance that we could get even deeper retracement compared to what we already have discussed. We will talk about this in our weekly report in this weekend. Currently, I think that we discussed yesterday is done, and we can't rely anymore on this potential bullish scenario that we discussed and described as light bearish retracement, because it's really very short term, very small in terms of the depth of the drop, and this will be so-called light bearish context where market potentially could continue upward direction. Now has been erased. What does it mean? Market right now stands below the COP target. The one thing that holds market from the further drop is the daily and weekly oversold area. You can see, as we do not have really very strong driving factors, market is creeping lower but not very fast. So you can see it hits oversold yesterday, minor pullback. Today it again hits oversold, pullback again. So gradually market could reach next support area that we discussed previously. It's strong confidence support on the gold, and take a look at the OP target 1802 of the same ABCD pattern. So that will be agreement support where potentially some more significant bounce could happen. But what I see currently, guys, especially on the weekly and monthly chart of the gold, I'd not exclude the chance that after this bounce will happen, we could get another leg down somewhere to the 1650 or even lower to the next major support area around 1617 area, somewhere in this level. That will not be some strategy and significant impact on the monthly chart. This is normal retracement, normal pullback for when the market hits significant monthly targets. It's on a daily chart, it looks a bit huge, but in fact it's not really very significant. Anyway, with the new performance that we see here, we should keep in mind that reaction on the 18 even could become also temporal. We will get lucky if market indeed will reestablish upward direction starting rally right to our targets. That currently stands around 26 approximately to 2060 on the monthly chart. But again, this could be only temporal pullback again. Currently, guys, nothing actually to do, because on the fall time frame chart, take a look. Market after OP was minor pullback in our predefined level that we hope that here's market could start up reaction. Reaction has followed, it has happened, but not very too long term. And then to see collapse right back down. So our market currently stands at 1618, marking the target 1847 of the same butterfly that we discussed previously. So here was 127 target, but that's also 1618. I'm really not thrilling about the level, because I suppose that mostly support is provided by the oversold level that we have on the daily and weekly rather than this target. But anyway, here as you can see, minor reaction has started. Next target of the same minor ABC stand, here is 1811. So XOP, and take a look, that XOP actually stands in the same range or same support cluster as on this daily chart, very close to the major OP between this level and this OP target. So that's most probable next destination point that we will keep an eye on, maybe next week, maybe even this week. Currently we see the minor bottoms. Still, returning back to the idea that we discussed yesterday on the hourly chart, everything could happen, and indeed, if we will get some signs of the wash and rinse here and fast upside action here, maybe indeed market will form something else. But the butterfly that we discussed yesterday, take a look, 127 extension was minor pullback, now stands at 1618. So keep watching, but currently, well, I'm not sure that we will get a good opportunity for taking a long position on all the ground that we have currently, and especially taking into consideration recent performance. Maybe we could get some pullback here, but more chances that sooner or later, but we will see this continuation to the 18 even area. So that's our view currently on the gold. Situation has changed. We need to review just our short-term view on the gold market. So currently, the new situation suggests that gold could show deeper retracement before upward continuation will start.